Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. In case you're new to my channel, then let me introduce myself. I am Konica and I do a lot of makeup and hair tutorials for you on this channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the look that I'm wearing right now, and I wanted to do an all-time classic look. It is holiday season here and it's winter, so I wanted to do a look which is an all-time classic. It's more of a Hollywood kind of a look with the red lip and nice gold eyes. I went to this Kiko store and I did a lot of holiday shopping. Yes, holiday shopping without cosmetics is not possible for me. And I picked up a bunch of their latest edition, which is so bright, so sparkly, and so apt for this holiday season. I am going to demonstrate the look that I'm wearing using all the Kiko products, except just one or two of the products that I've used in the video are not from Kiko. I really don't want to switch over those products, but the rest that I have used in the video are all the products that I picked up from Kiko. They have come up with beautiful eyeshadows, they have come up with beautiful pencils, eye pencils, those dual-sided pencils, and some beautiful lip colors. And also, this is the last part of the year and I wanted to do something really special for you all. I am going to upload 4 continuous videos and I am going to do a giveaway at the end of every video. We are going to have a giveaway in this video as well. So in case you want to see what it is, please keep on watching.
It's winters here, so I want to start with the Smart Radiance Cream 3-in-1 from Kiko. It's a beautiful product that moisturizes your skin and at the same time provides radiance to your skin. It comes in 3 variants. I think I picked up this yellow one, which instantly brights up and has that gold tint into it. I'm going to moisturize my face and my neck with this. And now for my open pores, I'm using the Skin Trainer CC Blur. It instantly blurs up this area where I'm applying it. The best part about their products is that you can use them in your skincare as well. For my foundation today, I'm using this full coverage 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. And I'm applying it with this brush that I picked up from the same brand. It's a foundation brush. I wanted to try it. The colors that I'm using for my foundations today are WB60 and WB15. I'm mixing both the colors together and I'm applying it with the same foundation brush. Somehow I really like the foundation brush and it is actually applying the foundation in a beautiful way on my skin. But at the end, I cannot do without my beauty blender. So I am just using my beauty blender in the end, the damp beauty blender, just to pick up the extra that I have on my skin. For my concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm applying it under my eyes, around my nose, and a little on the chin. And I will blend it using the same damp beauty blender. It's an absolute full coverage concealer and I really like it. For highlighting, I'm using this Kiko Highlighting Effect Fluid Concealer and I'm applying it on all the high points of my face. For this look, I want my face to look absolutely snatched and very, very clear. So this foundation has definitely given me full coverage, and on top of it, this Tarte concealer and this highlighting pen is doing the job pretty well. For setting my under eyes, I am using the Coverfx Illuminating Setting Powder in Light. I love this powder for winters because this powder doesn't have talc and is very good for skin. For my bronzer, I'm using the Summer Baked Bronzer in the shade 02 and I am applying it using this Luxie brush 504. This is such a gigantic bronzer and it's beautiful. For my nose, I'm using this Luxie brush 205 and it is doing the job pretty well. It's time to add some blush and I absolutely love the blush. This one is from the Sparkling Holiday Collection and it is the Baked Blush 01. And I'm applying it with this Sigma brush F15. Now just before my highlighter, I am going to spray my face with this Prime and Fix Refreshing Mist. And I am applying the Gold Waves Highlighter 02 using the Anastasia highlighting brush. On the cheekbones, the upper lip, little on the chin, and my nose. For my eyebrows, I'm using this Lasting Eyebrow Gel in 05 and I am over with one of their pots and I absolutely love their eyebrow gel. I think after Anastasia Beverly Hills, their eyebrow gel is also one of my favorite and it does the job pretty well. I'm going to prime my eyes with the concealer. And for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Sparkling Holiday Fabulous Eyeshadow Palette, which has these beautiful colors. The first color that I'm using is this one, which is called Everyday, and I will use it as my transition color. Now for the next color, it's Be Yourself. And I'm using the MAC 217 brush and apply it exactly in the crease line. I will keep building the color till the time I achieve what I exactly want. Now to blend the transition color all the more, I'm using this color which is Love It. It's like more of a cool tone color and I am going to work it just on top of the transition color. I am using their double eyeliner and I'm using the black side of this eyeliner. I will just work in the outer part of my eye, very close to my lash line. And now by using the Morphe 213 brush, I will take this color which is Rebel Soul and I will actually fade off the liner, creating a sort of a wing on the outside. Now to create that cut crease sort of an effect, I am using from the Sparkling Holiday Collection their shadow in Lustrous Gold. It is such a beautiful shadow. And I'm going to blend it pretty well. This is going to work as my base. And now I am going to apply this color which is Let's Party on top of this liquid lustrous gold shadow. The liquid shadow is definitely going to allow my eyeshadow to stick pretty well and is also adding a lot of shine to my shadow. This is such a pretty color I absolutely loved it. And now I'm going to repeat the same thing on my lower lash line as well, using the same colors that I used on the upper lid. Now to fill the lash line, I'm using this Lasting Precision Automatic Eyeliner in Kohl, which is 01. And for my inner corners, I'm going to use the other side, which is the sparkly gold side from the double eyeliner. I'm going to use it on my brow bone as well as my highlight. I am also using the summer mascara from Kiko. It's a beautiful tiny wand that works perfectly for the lower lashes. For my lips, I want to do the classic Hollywood sort of a lip color. So I'm using this MAC Burgundy lip liner. And I'm using this color which is in the shade 05 from this Sparkling Holiday collection. This color is so beautiful and the intensity of the color is really nice. In the end, I'm just going to spray Prime and Fix Refreshing Mist all over my face.
So this is me right in front of you with a perfect Hollywood holiday glam. And this is so apt, and I think this is something that you can do all the year round, which is evergreen and it never goes out of style. Also, I wanted to mention about the giveaway. All the products that you are watching on screen right now are the products that I am giving in the giveaway. So to win this giveaway, all you need to do is like, share and comment on my video. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload. The winners will be chosen randomly and I am going to announce my winners after 24 hours in the description box below, and also they will be announced on my Insta story as well. In the end, I would just like to say that keep enjoying watching my videos and I love you all. Stay blessed and keep watching.